Howdy folks, so we've got some resin mixed and debubbled in this machine. Lid off. Right, so that's been in there debubbling. I'll put that away. What I want to do is use all these little crystals to go in and make this trinket box or jewellery box for my little girl. With these, some laser powder that I really just want to squidge that about a bit. And the laser powder just painted on in little areas. This is the gold one. So pretty, these. Oh God, there you go. And now it's going to get in everything. Oops, oh my God, didn't mean to do that. Okay, how do I fix that? Stuff's a nightmare anyway, like forgetting everywhere. So let's just go. I hope that'll make it look nice anyway, probably. Oh, I want to put the other one as well, didn't I? Okay. I'm going to pour some of this resin in here. With this, well, not colour because it's more about in the dark. You see it? Is that enough? Go in really with some round the edges to get into that crevice before the gravel. Don't know if it's going to actually work that way for me. Okay, I don't know if I need to do it around this one. I don't think I do really, but let's get a little bit going. Anyway, that should do that for now. What I want to do, I'm going to go in and poke around in here to make sure it gets all the way around without bubbles. In with some more. Let's just go in with the pot. I think that's plenty. And get all that in nicely mixed in. I really only want the undertone of colour there. It's going to be a more clear thing than anything. Then we are going to put some of these in. So some of those. And some of these. Ooh. Try and get this as mixed in as possible so there's resin on every bit. And then we'll pour into here. Let's hope it works. I really do hope it works because I think this will be really pretty for my daughter. Let's get some of them down in the corners. Gonna have to squeeze some air out of this stuff, but it should be good. Air bubbles is going to be the biggest problem. Looks too big for that bit, but I'm going to put it in the other bit. I'll put that in and then make up some more. Move it up, get resin everywhere. I'm going to add the rest of these in. Keep a cute little bottle because I'll make up some other stuff for that. Okay, mix in the caviar beads. Oh, it's like funfetti. Yeah. If I have any left over, which I don't know if I will, but I'll do a soap dish with it as well, I think. It's so hard to stir. Hang on, get them in some more. This lid can take quite chunky bits. Look at that. Pretty cool, huh? Get it into these bits without air bubbles. the problem with this sort of filling. I bet it's going to be heavy. I hope it's going to be good though. Ooh. With this stuff, because I think it looks pretty good. You want to lower any bits down that are sticking out. Now does it? Okay, just gonna unmold 2 parts of the shell. I'm gonna keep that for another video. Anyway, let's see what these will come out like. Yeah, I think it's gonna be too heavy personally, which I've got ideas in mind of how to change that. Oh, I've got bubbles. I knew I'd get air bubbles. Oh, I cut my finger yesterday, my thumb yesterday. Keep catching it. Yeah, I've got quite big air bubbles, which I could probably fill in, to be fair. That's interesting. Wow. It's ever so heavy though. Oh my god. Like, it's really heavy. I'm going to do it again with flowers, I think. Anyway, let's see what this one does. Because this is the base, and I think it's going to be like dented in too far to make a good thing, like to hold like necklaces and stuff in. God, trying to get the mould off is not easy. This thing. Oh, I can see a bubble there to get in. Oh, there we go. Excuse my breathing. I did a workout and it's buggered me up. Oh my god. Okay. Now this hasn't got bubbles in. I managed to do that well. I should have realised and gone round the other one a bit more. And I'm quite impressed with how it's sat. They've sat in there. What do you think? I don't know if it's going to be ideal for what I wanted, but how cool is that though? It's ever so heavy. And I'd have to fill in little holes. It's pretty cool, isn't it? There's a few little bits that poke up out, which I thought there would be. But that goes on there like that. And that is the finished artifact. It's very cute, isn't it? But it is very heavy. Oh my god. Very heavy indeed. I think it might be better off on like smaller things. But we'll see anyway. I like it. I might keep it for my crafting stuff. I forgot to see if this was luminous or not. So let's try. Oh wow. That's pretty cool, huh? That's so bright. That's so cool. That's really cool. Wow. Gorgeous.